All right, Queens. So we're gonna play today. What's in my thrifty bag? So all you have to do to participate is open a thrifted bag. Now you got to go get that bag from under your bed because I know you got one. I know I am not the only one. Hiding in your office, hiding in your beauty room, in the back of your closet, in your garage, out in your car, at your mama house, your auntie house, mama nims. I'm gonna need you to go get that bag hiding under your bathroom cabinet, in your kitchen cabinet behind that sugar. Yes, and the meal and the flour that hubby don't know about. I think maybe you've been hiding from yourself, or maybe you're hiding it for a birthday gift from somebody else, or wink, wink. But anyway, and open the thrifty bag. So that's what we're gonna do today. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna open my thrifty bag and show y'all what's in here. I found this girl. I was sitting in my office and I was like, "What is this bag?" I was cleaning off my desk. And I saw this bag and I'm like, what is in here? I'm going to show y'all. So, the first thing is this purse. Okay. All right. And it's so cute. Okay. Look at there. Express. And it's still got the paper in it. It's new, y'all. Still new. Got the silicone in it and everything. Look at that. Got it at a garage sale this summer. This lady was having a garage sale and got that. I've been through this bag once, so I kind of opened it. So this was in this plastic. Okay. Well, actually, and this was actually when I first saw it. It was inside of here because I was fooling around, and I kept filling around. It was like in here when I first opened it. And I was filling around and I was like, oh my gosh, something is in this bag. And so I opened it and this necklace was in there. Okay, so let's look at it. And that's the necklace. That gorgeous. So pretty. Look at that. I just thought that was so pretty. It has this detail up here. I just thought that was cute. I really don't wear a lot of kind of chokers, but sometimes, depending on, what you're wearing, you kind of need something that's up kind of close to your neck. So those are those two. I'm going to move this. I don't have to keep making all this paper noise. And then these two. Now, these two I got. I'm going to show them to you. These two I got at a little store, consignment store, which closed. And it was third generation. It was 3 generations of ladies, a mom, a daughter, and granddaughter, grandmother, right? Mom, daughter, grandmother. And they were going out of business. And I got it after 10/9, so I got it. And it was 90% off of the $6.25. So every so often, the price goes down at consignment stores. That's how that works. But look at these. You can use these. It's actually a belt hook. So it's got the belt hook on there. So you can thread through whatever belt you want. And that's kind of how it sits. Like that. Just too cute. But I'd probably use it also on like jewelry. Got tangles in there. Like jewelry. I just think threading something through some kind of way. I don't know. On jewelry. Or maybe gluing it on a purse like, ooh girl, wouldn't that be cute? Yeah, wouldn't that be cute? Gluing on something like that would just be cute. So, these are my 3 things. And so, now it's your turn to open something that you thrifted that's been sitting in a bag that you have. And share with everybody your finds. You can either take a picture. You don't have to, you can do a video, you can take a picture, but it's totally up to you. And just share with us your thrifted finds. Okay? All right, Queens, I love you so much. This is Synolve signing off. And I will see y'all. Because I cannot wait to see what y'all have from hubby. No, I'm serious. I can't wait to see what y'all found. Look at that, though. Oh, my gosh. Gorgeousness. I can't see what y'all got in y'all thrifted goodie bag. So yes, honey, show me what you got. All right, show us what you got. We can't wait to see. Love you guys. Smooches.